Guys, my name is Jonah. So today I'll be showing to you how to add the pronouns on Instagram. It's a new feature that's been announced today, I believe. This can be actually added to your biography under edit profile. So if you actually head on your Instagram and go to edit profile, let's have a look. So here you can see your name, username, and under username says pronouns. So here let's click on it. It says here you can add up to 4 pronouns to your profile so people know how to refer to you. You can edit or remove them at any time. Let's actually have a look at the learn more. What it's saying here is when you're having a conversation, people use pronouns to refer to someone without using the name. You can add up to 4 pronouns to your Instagram profile to help others to refer to you. Pronouns you add up will be displayed on your profile and won't be used to refer to you elsewhere on Instagram. So it says here the instruction to add pronouns to your profile. I guess it's about the equality. You can have a he or she or in between, whatever you want to call it. So this actually, if you go to your profile picture at the bottom right, you go to your profile, tap edit profile below your profile information, then tap pronouns. Start typing your pronouns and select them from the result below. You know what? I'll be showing to you. Let's have a look how to do this. Let's do it now. Let's see. If you put say here, would that work? Yes. Let's put him. That works as well. If I put a man, that won't work. Okay. Well, you can also select an option which is showing to followers only, but that's fine. We'll just leave it as it is and click the press check icon, whatever you call it. And there you go. It says here he/him. It's just very fair. And just press OK, that will save. And there you have it. Now you can see it on your name where it says Jonah Manzano, he/him.